Hello guys, welcome back to Launch Legends. Today we're back here with another brand new drone flight. So yeah, it's a nice sunny day. We're in this nice open area. We are in Alperton in London, Brent. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take off my drone now. So drone is up, as you can see. I'm showing up my camera as well. So yeah, we're gonna just go up high in the sky. Then we're gonna do a 360 photo. So drone is gonna go on the full height. Once at full height, we're gonna do a 360-degree photo, like we do in all our drone flights. So let's stop recording. We're gonna do a 360. Alright, so 360 photo is complete. We are now going to zip around this area. So yeah, because it's a nice open area, I can pretty much go in all sides. It's really open. I got range everywhere. So what should we check out first? So as you can see, we've got a big area down here. We've got these buildings over there. So on the far right you can see Wembley, which is where I did a few flights. I did my drone flight a few flights ago. I flew there as well. I'm gonna go towards these buildings and get a shot of these buildings. So yeah, let's see what it looks like over there. I think the sun's too bright. We're just gonna go through it. It's gonna be an interesting shot. Look at that, that is insane. We're right next to it now. We're not gonna go too far near it because we might lose range. We're gonna go behind the building, so I'm just gonna stay around there. Look at that, is insane. Look at that shot. So yeah, we can see the building over here. That's what the roof looks like. Then we could see this area down here, which is, we can see a big crane over here. Let's go towards the crane a little bit. We're not gonna go too close to it. That is actually insane. Look how far we are when we get in this close shot with Wembley in the background as well. And we've got solar panels right here. That's actually sick. And we've got big road. Alperton station is right around the corner. And then we got where we are right now, which is the field, which is Alperton Sports Ground. So that was a really nice shot. What we could do, we could check out the building next to it as well, which is this one right over here. That is actually insane. Get a nice shot of descending. That's actually sick. And we can get an orbit shot of it. And we've got another construction right near us as well. I can see it from here, from this side. Crazy thing is that in a few years' time this will be fully developed. So this drone footage is like a timeline. That is a sick shot. Look at that. That is amazing, isn't it? Isn't it? So I can't see much of the screen, but because it's sunny. But when I'm in the shadow, I can see it properly. That is amazing. What else have we got nearby? We've got the main area down here. We've got these block of flats as well. Look at that, they look almost symmetrical, isn't it? And we've got central London, which is probably down here. Central London. It's I know it's really sunny, but it's really hard to see the London skyline because I don't know, somehow hazy in this hot weather. It's really hot today. Let's go and check out the other side. The only issue is that the phone might overheat because I'm going in my phone's going to be in the sun. What we could do now, we can go to this area. We could check out what's down here. What's down here? It's an industrial area. So yeah, we're in Alperton Lane. Phone is struggling now. FPS is going down. So let's see what's down here. We got a lot of stuff down here. This is the main area down there. Look at that, it's really nice. This is the A406 road. Let's go a little bit further to the other side. Alright, let's start heading back now. We don't want to go too far. There's a lot of cars down here as well, as you can see. A lot of trucks here as well. There's a lot of trucks in this area. Can't really see what it looks like on the small screen because I'm flying using my iPhone screen, but on the big screen you should be able to see what it is clearly. Let's go to the west side. Actually, we're going towards east. Central London should be around here, but we don't really see it that much. Well, at least on my screen because it's really dark because the sun is in the way. We can go down here. Towards the main area, North Circular. So you've got buildings down here as well. We can go towards that as well. Let's do that. I wonder where that is. So you can see the train line as well. This is the train line going towards Alperton station, I think. You can get a static shot of this area. What we could do now, we could check out this area down here. Oh yeah, this is the main roundabout nearby where I am. Wind has just picked up a little bit, as you can see on the screen. We're not going to go fully around it because we don't want to go too far. It's really hard. So as you can see, we've got this building over there, which is what I can see down here. So we'll go around. We'll see what's down here. As you can see, look. See this building down here, then we can see this crane over here, this building. We can see the roundabout. I think this is a Hanger Lane, I think. That's why I cycled through. Near that area. Let's get a static shot of this area for a bit. So there's a building happening in the middle of this roundabout, and probably in a few years' time, you also see how that's developed. So this drone is literally like a timeline of my channel where all my drone videos are. It's like basically like a timeline for literally everything that's being built in London. So basically, London's unfinished. We keep getting a static shot of this. We get a nice time lapse going of this area. See what's happening down here. So there's a lot of trucks going down here. It looks like they're garbage trucks. I think it's a garbage truck area. I think all those trucks that you saw was garbage trucks. Bin lorries. Let's come back now. We're gonna go to west side and explore that side as well. You can probably see it pull up in this shot. Let's go to the other side. Right, so at 39% now. So what's going on down there? It's really light wind today. It's not windy at all. Really calm. It'd be good to get a shot of Alperton again. Or should we just go west? Should we just explore a different area this time? So there's not much down there, it's just the industrial area as well. Let's flip fast. Let's see what's down here as well. So there's a bus garage over there as well, as you can see. Get a nice shot of this area as a static shot. Get a static shot of this bus pulling up at this bus garage. You can probably see it pull up. You will see it pull up. Let's go a little bit lower. It's getting nice. Just gonna pull up in there. Let's get a last shot of this buildings down there. I haven't got a close shot of this green one. Let's get a closer shot of this green building. So this green building is also in construction. We'll see what it looks like. So maybe I might fly here again and then link this to the other flight that I do. So it looks like there's cell towers on there as well already. Insane shot. There we get an ascending shot just like that. And I think that's about it. We've got 24% now. I'm gonna get a last shot of this building down here. So there's a lot of stuff in there as well. It's really interesting. This building's still in construction. Alright, let's start heading back now. Perhaps shouldn't do a slow shot, it's better to get a fast shot. Let's get a shot, let's do a local flight. We don't want seagulls hitting it, seagulls are coming close to it. Gotta go high. Probably see seagulls below us, look. We can see it below us. See seagulls around there, we want to avoid it. We don't want it to hit my drone. Or I don't want my drone to hit the seagulls. Let's land the drone. I'm going to land it this way because it's easier to see the drone, because I don't want it to be faced towards the sun. We'll get a nice ascending shot as well. All right, so that was my amazing drone flight here in Alperton in London. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.